Welcome back, and let's take a look at Tennessee's computer science standards. So, Tennessee recently in 2019 have started to introduce benchmarks and standards to reach various computer science goals throughout their state. Overall, they have low participation in CS, and it's generally not a state associated to be a big hub for IT and computer science in general, but regardless, they are doing their best to try to change all of that. Their big thing is that computer programming can stand as standalone classes, whereas everything else is to be integrated in a seamless fashion into the core classes such as English, math, science, and social studies. So let's take a look. So even though they have standards, Tennessee has not required that all high schools must offer computer science as an elective credit. However, the schools that do have that, many of the computer science courses may count as math credits towards graduation. Usually those are the two AP courses, but again, it will depend on district by district. So this is what we were kind of talking about. Governor Bill Lee in 2019. They want to combine computer science into CTE and STEM education. So to build their standards, this is what they have done. This is not a complete copy and paste of CSTA standards, which so many other districts and states do. So they've kind of built their own as far as what are the things they want to focus on. So these are the core 6. And for high school, what they've done is they've kind of developed a set of courses to divide the difficulty nature of courses that are offered at that level. So here are the courses that they have developed. So obviously the 2 AP computer science courses make it in. They are College Board standards. So they offer a computer science foundation. They have something called Coding 1, Coding 2, mobile app development, and coding practicum. So the coding practicum is kind of a senior level at the end. They students get to kind of do a thesis style project, but again, its focus is software related or programming related. So what you'll notice that what's missing, hey, where's cybersecurity, where's networking, where's IT fundamentals, things like that. So they don't quite make it into Tennessee standards simply because, as we mentioned above, their focus is programming and everything else is kind of built in an interdisciplinary fashion. So from a Rex's position, these are the courses we are comfortable aligning with. So we have both the APCS, we can do Coding 1, Computer Science Foundations, and of course mobile app development. Middle school, the standards are somewhat comparable, although they're a bit different, but we're comfortable with this particular alignment, and same as elementary. And then finally, these are the kind of the roadmap that we would ask K through 12 to kind of go through. Okay, and based on what they offer, the only certifications we are prepared to recommend is for Python and Java, since Tennessee standards are incredibly software based and coding based. Okay, and of course, as always, these are our additional alignments that Rex Academy strives towards. All right, that's it for Tennessee.